Shaving causes hair to grow faster and thicker. No. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review this Venus Snap Razor and also going to show you a demo on how to use this. Plus, we will discuss about some hiccups related to shaving, and also I am going to let you know whether you should buy this one, the Venus original one, or the Venus Snap. So, if you want to know more, then subscribe, press the bell icon if you haven't yet already, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Let's talk about the packaging first. So this is the outer packaging, and the outer packaging is a cardboard box packaging, and the packaging is super tight, and of course the packaging is warm, to be very honest. So it's mentioned Gillette Venus Snap and Glow on the Go. If you rotate the packaging, you will get to see 3 steps on how to do the shaving. You have to hydrate your skin with water, Gillette Venus against hair growth, apply your favorite moisturizer after that. All the ingredients contains, and the price is also mentioned on the packaging. Yes, price is super expensive. Also the expiry is also mentioned. So expiry date is 26 months from the date of manufacture. If you flip the box, at the back of the packaging it is mentioned the Snap Advantage, Travel Ready, Avocado Goodness, Glide, Glow and Go. Once you open the lid of outer packaging, this is how the inner packaging looks like, and inside this inner plastic packaging there lies the razor wand, and then there are 3 refills or 3 blades, and this is a cute plastic container. Yes, but the quality of this container is not very sturdy. Venus claims that you can put this razor with the blade inside this packaging and can travel. Quality of this plastic is okay, not very sturdy. You will get cushion on both the side of this razor wand so that you will have a better shaving experience. A few years back, I uploaded this video where I reviewed this Venus razor. So the blade of this, the original Venus razor, and this one is the same. They are using the same blade. Compare price points of this two. Then this one comes with 3 refills, and the price of this one is $7.99. And this one comes with only 1 refill, and the price of this one is $2.99. Now if you buy 2 refills, only 2 refills separately, then you will get those 2 refills at a price of $350. So here you are compelled to buy 2 more refills. So hands down, price wise, this is the winner. I purchased this when a sale was going on, so I got this at rupees 599, which according to me is okay with 3 blades. Now let's talk about my shaving experience with this and this one. So this one, as you can see, the wand is very small, so I had a doubt whether this will give me a better shaving experience or not, but the 2 cushions that are there, this gave me a very good grip for a proper shaving. So I have to say both this gives pretty good shaving experience. So let's talk about few hiccups related to shaving, as well as let's discuss few very important points related to shaving. So the first one is, a lot of people think that if you shave, then your hair grows faster as well as thicker, which is not true. The second one that I want to tell you, that please do not share your used razor, especially the blade. You use blade with anybody, even with your family members, and you also do not use their used razor, I mean the blade. Okay, yes, of course, if you have not used, if you have unused blade and your family member or friends, they are asking, definitely you help them with your unused blade, but do not share your used blade, and also do not use anyone's used blade. It's so unhygienic and unhealthy to use someone's used razors. And third point that I want to share with you all is that do not shave when you are in a hurry, or do not shave by pressing the razor too hard to your skin, because a lot of time we think if we press this hard we'll have a very good shaving, but that's so not true. If you press it hard to your skin, you are increasing your chance of getting cuts and bumps, which we don't want. That's all in my today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.